Hi everyone, welcome to Mind Shop Studio. It's Chris.
And Kyle.
And today we've got another MicroBit lesson for you. This lesson is called Shake It Up.
Shake it up.
Shake it up.
Shake it up. Shake it up. Shake it up.
So Kyle, why do you think this lesson is called Shake It Up?
Because we're going to learn everything shake.
Very good. Yes, we're going to learn about the shake block. All right, first, what does this one mean? Yes, there's an I. Haha, I got Kyle this time.
Eyebrow.
No, this one is I understand. I understand. See, the word stand, and the I is under the word stand, understand.
Okay.
Okay. All right, what about this one?
Too little, too late.
Oh, you got it. Too little, too late. Good job. You're fine. Okay.
I've seen it.
Oh, you've seen it before?
Yeah.
All right. So let's start with the answers to our quiz from last time. So when the program starts, a smiley face will appear on the screen for half a second, followed by go. And then when you press the A button, a surprised face will display for half a second, followed by yikes. And then a ghost will display for 1/10 of a second and blink.
Yikes!
Yeah. When the B button is pressed, we'll get a Pac-Man animation, and then the Pac-Man will open and close its mouth. And when you press both buttons, the screen will clear, followed by a checkerboard. Which always reminds me of the Pac-Man. All right, so our MicroBit has an accelerometer. Now, an accelerometer is a sensor on the MicroBit that detects movement, okay? And it measures that movement in G, which is the force of gravity. And also, our MicroBit has a logo. If you look at your MicroBit, or if you look at your simulator, you'll see an oval with two little circles in it. That's the MicroBit logo. And it's supposed to look like a robot's face, I guess.
1, 2.
And we see lots of logos every day. Like, what's this logo?
Starbucks.
Starbucks.
Coffee.
You like Starbucks?
Yeah.
Does Daddy like Starbucks?
Yeah.
I like Starbucks a lot. What's this logo?
Shoes logo.
Shoes logo. Yes, that's a Nike logo. Okay, and what about this one?
MicroBit.
That's the MicroBit logo. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. Get your MicroBit connected up and go to the makecode.microbit.org webpage, and we'll get started. So we're in the input menu again, and this time we're using onShake. Why don't you go ahead and grab an onShake block, since we know we're going to use that. And the onShake block has a drop-down menu, and that allows you to choose a bunch of different things. You can choose shake, logo up, logo down, screen down, tilt left, tilt right, free fall, 3G, 6G, and 8G. We're not going to talk about all of those today. If you didn't save the Buttons app, we can just recreate it very quickly, as we just did. And now what we're going to do is we want to make an onShake block that clears the screen. So why don't you do that, Kyle? Create an onShake block that clears the screen.
Shake, shake, shake the baby, shake until the sound. Shake, shake, shake the baby, shake until the sound.
It's a song we sing with Kyle's little brother Victor. He loves it. The baby, shake him till he shines.
Yes.
Shake, shake, shake the baby, shake him all the time. Okay, and now give it a shake. And you'll see on the simulator, there's actually a place where you can click to make it shake. You gotta click the top there. There you go. And clear the screen, all right? Okay, good job, good job. So Oh no, and now we have a clear screen on Shake. Okay, so let's start a new project. Do you know how to start a new project?
Yeah.
How do you start a new project?
There's the hip hop that you see.
Yeah.
And
Should we save this one?
yeah.
What do you want to call it? Let's just call it buttons. I'll type buttons. Okay, and then new.
Hello.
All right, so we want an on-shake block that clears the screen. Let me start with that.
So we can use the kids and basic. And you can see them do more. You click on that. It's going to disappear. And you can see it.
Good job. All right, now I want you to duplicate the shake block and change it to a tilt left. Wow, fastest duplicate ever. So instead of shake, we want it to be tilt left.
And like logo left.
Yes, tilt the logo left. All right, so now instead of clearing the screen, I want this one to show scissors.
Scissors. And so icon is the same as the shake block and menu. In the white clip we have duplicate and comment. Delete block.
Right. Good job.
And we're gonna do delete block.
Okay, is that a scissors?
Nope. This is a heart. And we're going to use it like this. And you're going to see. You're going to see. Oh yeah. Look. I'm using the dance. I'm using the scroll bar. Yeah, I'm using the scroll.
Scroll wheel on the mouse is very useful. Good. Okay. So now, why don't you test that by clicking on the left side of the MicroBit to make the simulator turn left. Nope, the other side. And bam, scissors. That works. Okay, so let's duplicate the tilt left block. We'll make it a tilt right block and we'll show a ghost.
Going to be white and
Alright, and you want to show a ghost.
Okay, and you'll have going to be like a ghost.
Ooh, there's not an icon for ghost?
Sorry. I need to do the cases again.
It's a good idea to know what icons are available. There's the ghost. Nope, that's the skull. I said ghost. Ghost. There's the ghost. Left. Yeah. Alright. Good. You want to test it?
Yes. Oh, yeah.
Boom, ghost. Okay, now let's change it to a logo up block and we'll show a triangle.
Logo up, yeah.
Okay, so duplicate something to make a logo up.
when you go, you can change.
Now you want it to show a triangle.
And we don't need those blocks, huh? Ah, that's the block. Okay. Hey, I'm so fast. I don't want to fight over. And anything the logo of block. Big head.
So once again, Kyle is showing that when you use the show LED block, if you click and hold the mouse button down, it will act as a turn on or turn off LED. And as you glide over the LED squares, it'll just turn them on or turn them off, whichever you selected first. Okay, good job, Kyle. Now, I would have used the icon for triangle, but you can draw a triangle, it's all the same. Now, we want a logo down to be square.
I knew it.
Okay.
You try to hide your secret, huh?
Okay. Square, good job. All right, can you test it out, see what it does? Good, good. All right, let's save this one. Let's save this one. We're gonna call it motion, all type.
Motion.
Go ahead and click the save icon, please. All right. And Kyle, I've got a challenge for you.
Challenge.
I love the challenges. So I want you to make an animation when it's shaken.
Wait, animation.
Animation is a series of pictures, one after the other. So do you think you can make a little animation?
We don't use this block.
No, we're not using that.
I never use that block. So that's why.
Okay. And everybody at home, I hope you take this challenge too. And you can take a screenshot and you can send it to us on Instagram. I'll put our Instagram right here. And we'd love to see your challenge results. So again, we're gonna make an animation. And if you're still with us, please give us a like. It'll help other people find this video, and we would really, really appreciate it. Okay, so I have a series of pictures, and whenever you show a series of pictures, it looks like things are moving, so that's an animation, okay? We want it so that when the device is tilted, we have an arrow pointing in the direction a ball would roll if it were on the MicroBit. And this is the key here for this challenge, is think about the MicroBit is in your hand. There's a ball on top of the MicroBit. And when you move the MicroBit, what direction is that ball going to go? And that's the direction that we want the arrow to point, okay? So if you're doing the challenge at home, you should probably pause the video while you're working on it, and then I will show you the answer to the challenge. Are you ready for the answer? Here it is. Now, you might be wondering, hey, that up and down arrow seems weird. And the reason is because logo up, you tilt the MicroBit so the logo is up. If the ball was there, the ball would roll down. So that's why the arrows are that way. They're actually the opposite of the direction of the logo. If the logo is down, the ball would roll toward the logo. If the logo is up, the ball will roll away from the logo.
I usually show you more.
All right, Kyle.
Yeah.
So today we talked about what blocks?
We talked about the
Shake block, okay.
Shake.
Shake. And the shake block has a sub menu that allows you to pick logo up, logo down, screen up, screen down, screen up, screen down, tilt left, tilt right, free fall, 3G, 6G, and 8G. All right, guys, we've got another quiz for you. Let's take a look at these blocks and then answer the questions. I will put the quiz questions in the comments down below, and you can put your answers in the comments down below. So here are the blocks, and here are the questions. What happens when the A button is pressed? How do we get a butterfly to display? What to do to display the word both? What happens when the B button is pressed? What happens when we tilt the top of the MicroBit upward? What happens when we shake the MicroBit?
Eat this one.
And if we turn the display upside down, what will we see? Nope, not quite right, but that's okay. We'll work on it. All right, while Kyle and I finish this, we're gonna say goodbye, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for joining us, everyone. Say goodbye, Kyle.
Bye-bye.
Thanks again, everyone. Bye-bye.
Hey, Dad's saying, look, this focus.